Hi, hello everyone. So, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. So, as we know, we always have a dream and goal of our life, and we always want to do something different. Like, we always have that passion, like, goal to do it in our life. But somehow, our family is there, their priority is there, and they are not supporting us. Sometimes happens like we got stuck between what to give main priority, maybe like our goal, our family life. And it happens most of the time, due to the family life or due to some priority of the family, we are not able to achieve our dream or goal, or sometimes even the family is not allowing us to take that risk of the life. Now what here I would like to tell you, see, like family, they is not there, they are against the goal, but only thing is that they always want to have that secure life. They don't want you to be it in any risk, because the thing is that they care for you, and that's the reason they always think about the security first instead of taking any risk there. So here, what family is not like bad, if I'm saying, it depends on that thinking, because see, the family, whatever, maybe your parents, your mother, father, they have that thinking, and that thinking and your thinking is different, because whatever the life that they have gone through, whatever the phases, so they have that limited thinking. Like for example, if I say, like if someone, some like girl is there who wanted to achieve a dream, who wanted to do furthermore study, but the thing is that the family is saying that now it's the age you want to get married. It's most of the time happen in the family, right? Because at the age of, like we can say, almost like 25, the girl has to be married. So this is not, this is right thing, because what the family thinking is that they are true, because whatever that thinking is that, like at this period the girl has to be get married, and they are right on that part. But the thing is that your dreams and your goal, your thinking is not in alignment with that thinking, and that the reason here the problem occurs. So here, what I would like to suggest you, if you are making whatever the goal and aim, make such a plan, that plan has a backup, means even if that plan doesn't succeed, you have that backup plan. You have something to back up that plan, or whatever the plan you are executing. And at the same time, you have to convince your parents in such a way that they will be able to understand that what is your goal, what is your time frame you have taken for that career to achieve. Suppose if you are thinking like, just give me 3 to 4 years, and within that period of time I will build up my goal, I will build up my dream. So take in consideration, take in confidence your family members, your father, mother, and prove them that this is the plan that I have almost have gone through it, and make them confidence that whatever you have that plan, whether it is A or B, and how will you going to execute it. So tell them properly. In this case, what happens, parents will also get the confidence, because what the thing, they felt like, it's like a risk taking a life. If suppose in future, if I tell my parents like I want to quit the job and I want to directly jump into business, so the parents here will be thinking like, what about the, the rent of the flat, and all about the, from where we can get the money if you are quitting the job. So they are just thinking about the security part. But here then you have to tell the parents that how you will be able to manage the money. Because see, whenever you are taking any plan, different plan, maybe it's a business plan, maybe or something plan, whatever it is, make sure that you have that enough financial there to support your family. Your family should not be at any risk. And at the same time, you have to think about your goal. Even if you fail, there might be chances you might be fail, but if you have another plan, like there's another plan of B, and even if you are not succeeding, then tell that parents, these are the period, like 2 to 3 years, and I want to achieve my dream, and I have to achieve my goal, and tell them in confidence. So in that way, if you think and if you convince your parents, I might say that most of the parents will convince, because if they see confidence in yourself and if you prove them that yes, I can do it, if they see the determination, the hard work, the passion, then every parents will allow, because what they think, they always want their son or their daughter to be successful. Because see, if any son or daughter, if they achieve the success, every parent will like it. If they are well known, they are considered as a fame in the society, they feel proud. But only thing is that they only first think about the security, and that's the main reason. They are not thinking about the risk, because they are feeling that risk is associated, it might hurt my son, my daughter. So you as a son or daughter, you first think according the plan, whatever the plan you are thinking, you have that backup plan in your hand. Even if one plan fail, how you can execute the other plan, and in that procedure you go through it. And believe me, if you go in such a way and you have confidence in yourself, similarly your parents will have that confidence, and that will always take you to a great height. So that in every family there is a situation. I know that family situation versus the goal is there, always there. So you have to convince in such a way, and not only convince, it's not like a dream, but you have to foolproof it, like it should be written somewhere. Whatever, when you want to do any goal plan, it should be written like on a paper, it should be executed. It just like you have a plan and you dream about it and it doesn't work and you fail. So no, you first have that confidence, you first build a plan properly, you plus have the backup plan, and then you execute. Because as I told you, you are the only one who is the artist of your life. So you have to decide, even if you fell down, you have to again get up, you have to go get all in, and then you see that it will tremendously will give you a great success. It's just like if I say like driving a car, if you have a experience and about know how to drive, automatically will go on a road. But if you simply say, yeah, I know that it's like just a steering and you just have to move it, no, it's not that case. You have to first learn it, you have to know it about the path, about the roads, and then only have to move it. In similar way, whenever you want to do achieve, or you want to achieve some dream, or you're planning over something, you first plan your blueprint, how you're going to execute it, what is the backup plan and all those, and then move ahead. Then see, everyone, if you have that confidence now, everyone will have that confidence in you, and your family will be proud of you. Thank you.